Miss Katie, we want you to ban people from commenting in your comment section. Terrible things that they write, awful things. They talk about eating us, about ripping off our skin and stealing our feathers. They talk about eating our moms and our dads, which they've already done. And they're talking about eating our brothers and sisters too. Miss Katie, please help us stop the people from being so mean in the comment section. We want you to ban them from now on. We want only nice people to comment, or people who are trying to learn about veganism. Can you help us? Can you promise to do your best? Yes, I'll try to do my best.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe Bartolozzi.
Be fucking vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watchthatvegan.com.
Be fucking vegan.
Warning, this is a classroom. To protect victims of sexual assault, kidnapping, enslavement, and murder, anyone who encourages the exploitation or utilization of animals will be banned from having their comments seen by others. You will see them, but nobody else will. This comment section is limited to kind, curious people who want to learn, or those who are here to act as ethical vegan teaching assistants. Assholes will be flushed like feces. Conduct yourself accordingly. Hello students, I'm just looking at my comments section here over on YouTube, and I wanted to draw your attention to something that I saw. This is a video that I posted, and down below here are the comments. So today this person wrote a very long comment. Just try and get it here. And I wanted to make sure that I showed you what I replied because it's kind of important. So this person's name is Chaotic Crocuta. And this is what they wrote. On your live today, you said that if vegans were to create animals, they'd all be vegan and that would be okay. So what you're saying is that it would be all right for herbivores such as rabbits, which overpopulate very quickly, along with other animals, to overpopulate. So this is actually a lie. And then he goes on to talk about all kinds of other things, which I never said, which show that he completely misunderstood, or he is simply just not listening at all. I don't know what his intentions are. But what I wrote in response to him was this. Why are you lying? That's not what I said. You didn't listen. I said if vegans were to have created the world, we would have been smarter and kinder than God. We would have created a world where no animals ate other animals and there would be no overpopulation. I said that all animals would die in their sleep peacefully at the right time to make sure the planet is balanced and that there would be food for all. I said that vegans are kinder than God because we are at least trying to make the world a better place instead of doing nothing to help the victims. I explained to him that he's taking part in something called the straw man fallacy. And then I explained what that is. This occurs when someone misrepresents, distorts, or exaggerates your argument to make it easier to attack or refute. Instead of addressing your actual position, they argue against the distorted version they've created, which often misleads others about your true stance. So why this upsets me is that this person essentially lied, because many people have read his comment and then they believe the lie. This next part is for the brutal vegan. Thank you so much for commenting. I really appreciate you so much here in my comment section, and so do the animals. But just remember that these type of comments, when there's a lie, I usually delete them and I hide the user. You see, there are 8 people right now who've pressed like on this person's comment who don't realize that I never actually said what he is accusing me of. And he is misunderstanding or lying on purpose, I don't know. But because you commented here, I feel bad deleting this comment because your comment will also be deleted. So please make sure you guys, as much as possible, that you comment on an upper level, like on a top level. So as many comments as you can make that say facts about veganism without actually responding to people are super helpful. But should you keep responding to people? Yes, but be very careful if you suspect that they are saying something that I never said, or if they are outright lying, or if they are extremely cruel, just remember I might be banning their comment, and along with that, I will actually have to ban yours. Let's go on to continue to explain a little bit more about the straw man fallacy. Here's another example. Somebody says, I think we should reduce meat consumption to help the environment. And then someone else might say, oh, so you're saying everyone should starve and stop eating altogether? This misrepresentation diverts the discussion from your original point to something you never said. So, this person, chaotic crocuta, is actually lying, and that's unethical, and I ban people who lie on my channel. My comment on YouTube continued. I wrote, ask yourself why you only choose to hear part of the message instead of listening to the whole thing. Ask your therapist why you feel the need to not hear properly and why you feel the need to keep defending animal abuse. A good therapist is Claire Mann. She's vegan, and you can speak to her online. Good luck, and have an amazing vegan life from now on. Then I continued and wrote to him one more thing. P.S. If you act in bad faith again, you will be banned from commenting. You will become a hidden user, which means that you will see your own comments, but nobody else will. And I told him to go ahead and watch the truth about the animals you eat on my channel before commenting again. And I said that here is the link. This goes for all of you. If you want to, you can go ahead and tap on this video here, The Truth About the Animals You Eat. It's on my YouTube channel. This is what it looks like. You're looking for something of the little pig here. It's 8 minutes and 18 seconds long. Make sure that all of you watch this video before you comment so you know what you're talking about. Thank you very much to everybody who's here today. Thank you for commenting politely, and thank you for being as vegan as possible. I'll see you all in the next video later today.
Hey, you're not a baby, you're not a cow. Time to stop sucking now. If you want milk, ask your mom to lift her bra. If she tells you to fuck off, that's your clue to drink soy milk. Ta-da! You're not a baby, you're not a cow. You should be vegan by now. Thou shalt not kill, and also thou shalt not steal. So read between the lines and be vegan at every meal. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us how.